The 885 is a remarkable 90-foot sailing yacht, designed and engineered to deliver exceptional comfort and safety without compromising sailing performance. She is exhilarating to sail and capable of taking you anywhere in the world. With 47 years experience building the world's finest handcrafted blue water yachts behind her, she quite simply is a masterpiece. Step on board and let me show you around. The 885 is an easy yacht to run, and she's also perfect for owners who wish to charter her, as she comes in just below the 24-metre load line rule, cutting through the red tape you get with larger vessels. Every inch is intelligently designed, with large areas of uncluttered deck space and dedicated entertaining zones which let you enjoy this yacht in many different ways. After the companionway, the yacht is split into 4 zones. The comfortable helm stations are designed to make you feel part of the yacht. Everything you need is close at hand, and each steering pedestal offers ample space for all your instrumentation. Easy to reach screens and push button sail controls make navigation intuitive and sail handling simple. The twin helm stations offer superb visibility, so you can have a clear view to trim your sails, as well as a wider view all around to keep an eye on where you're heading. Lots of handholds and recessed angled footwells offer comfortable and secure steering through any weather. Turn around and you will find hydraulic winches which are fitted as standard. You will find the 885 perfectly balanced on the helm and responses to the slightest movement of the wheel. Moving aft, the 885 has a large uncluttered deck that is perfect for entertaining friends and family, or just relaxing with a drink whilst you watch the sun go down. The winches are set aft of the helm seat to give you extra protection whilst under sail, and the cleverly designed seat backs switch around to create the perfect aft deck entertainment area. Choose your favourite music and create the perfect mood in the cockpit with the high quality speakers that are integrated into the coaming. The single point main sheet is controlled with a powerful captive reel winch, and there is a discreet dedicated hatch direct into the master cabin. You can access the full width lazarette through the dedicated hatch. There is plenty of room to stow all your water sports equipment in here. Double gas struts make it easy to open, and robust stainless steel latches make it completely secure at sea. Life rafts are conveniently stowed under the push pit seats and ready for immediate and safe operation. The hydraulic passerelle is fitted as standard. It's operated from an app on any of your devices, giving you fingertip control on or off the yacht. The spacious hydraulic fold-out bathing platform with anti-slap features come complete with ladder and tender bumper bars for safe and easy access onto the yacht. Fold-out steps lead down onto the platform from the deck, and there is plenty of space to wash away the salt when you've finished in the water with the removable drench shower fitted on the aft deck. There is also lots of space to set up your water sports equipment, or for you just to sit back, relax and take it all in whilst you're at anchor. Moving forward, we come to one of the most fantastic features that is unique to the Oyster 885. The sunken tender well offers sleek lines and protection for the tender whilst the yacht is sailing. Once the tender is launched, the well transforms into a large, comfortable entertainment space affectionately known as the Zen Room. Lined with cushions, protected with a bimini and fitted with table and speakers, this area is a pleasure to be in any time of the day. The flush foredeck is beautiful yet functional. There is a large sail locker accessed through a dedicated hatch, which also offers another access point to the deck from below. The large bowsprit projects the anchor forward and also gives a tack point for an asymmetric spinnaker or code zero. We love the dolphin watching seat. It's the perfect place to enjoy some quiet time whilst you're out roaming the oceans. The hydraulic windlass is hidden below the deck and accessed through the large double anchor locker doors. A pop-up windlass for med-style mooring is conveniently located on the foredeck, which gives you power when you need it to tension those lazy lines. The removable inner forestay is attached to a hydraulic ram. This gives you more support for the mast, but also gives you enough tension to fly the storm jib when needed. All the mooring cleats are pop-up too, which means they can be stowed when the yacht is under sail, giving the 885 deck uninterrupted sleek lines. The 885 is fitted with a keel-stepped carbon mast and boom. Slab reefing is standard with the 105% hydraulic headsail furling included. For those wishing to upgrade, hydraulic in-boom furling is also available. For added safety, the headsail sheets run under the side deck. As well as keeping the side decks completely clear, this protects people in the guest cockpit from flogging sheets whilst the yacht is sailing. The integrated side boarding ladders are easy to deploy when you're berthed alongside the dock. With its large spray hood, the guest cockpit is the heart of the 885. Designed to be multifunctional, it's packed with features. The large fold-out solid teak cockpit table seats 8 comfortably, perfect for lunch or dinner. The table is mounted on a large refrigerated drinks locker to keep your drinks cool in tropical climes. Every inch of space has been optimised for stowage with easy access through all the seats. The emergency steering system is cleverly designed and built into the cockpit seat as well. There are plenty of handholds and footrests around the cockpit to support you whilst the yacht is heeled. The guest cockpit is split off the centreline to allow easy access for people to pass through the cockpit whilst the yacht is sailing. The interior joinery style, wood choices and upholstery are all chosen by you in consultation with our in-house stylist and your Oyster project manager, so you can make your Oyster a true home from home. Down below you will find the large, airy saloon flooded with light from our iconic panoramic deck saloon windows. On starboard, the split saloon tables can be raised and lowered to suit. They are perfect for coffee, or when combined they form a large L-shaped dining table for those special dinners. The forward table lowers to create a comfortable daybed, which is the perfect place to watch your favourite movie or simply just curl up with your book. On port you will find the Onyx bar with an integrated chilled, still or sparkling water tap. Glasses are neatly stowed beneath, and on the side you will find more ample stowage for glasses and bottles alike. The ice maker is next to the bar for easy access when you're mixing your cocktails. For privacy and shade, double electric blinds are fitted as standard. The full-width master cabin is a stunning space for you to relax in. It is fully soundproof and flooded with light from our signature triple seascape windows, connecting the outside in. All of the systems within the cabin, including your air conditioning, window blinds and lighting, are easily controlled with the single touchscreen conveniently located by the bed. Wireless charging pads are fitted on the top of the bedside units, keeping the cabin clear of trailing cables. There is a large flat screen on the forward bulkhead, complete with Dolby surround sound, allowing you to catch your favourite movie, watch TV or track the yacht's progress with a direct feed from the navigation system. You can also easily stream your favourite music from your device to the sound system in this cabin as well. There is plenty of wardrobe space and drawers which are all internally lit and lined with aromatic cedar to keep your clothes fresh and safe from insects. Relax on the comfortable chaise lounge for the perfect view through the seascape windows. The master cabin has a large ensuite heads, complete with power shower, vanity unit, electric toilet and a heated towel rail. Moving aft from the saloon along the corridor, you can see the master cabin at the end, with the two aft guest cabins either side. Let's take a look at the port guest cabin first. This spacious double ensuite cabin features triple seascape windows that make the cabin feel so light and airy. As with all the accommodation on board, there is plenty of stowage, and all the cabin systems, including air conditioning, lights and blinds, are all operated from a touch screen like the master cabin. The starboard guest cabin offers another spacious double ensuite with the same features as the other guest cabins. Moving forward from the saloon, you will find another guest cabin, which means up to 8 guests can enjoy cruising the Oyster 885 in complete luxury. This heads is also fully equipped and includes a spacious power shower. As well as being the yacht's day head, there is a neat secret door that lets you use the heads as a day head and yet maintain privacy in the cabin. The chart table is the nerve centre of the 885, cleverly designed so that many of the yacht's navigational systems run through just one large screen. You can split your navigational information on the big screen to suit exactly how you would like to view it. And all of the yacht's critical systems are managed through a dedicated central monitoring system which lets the skipper run the yacht smoothly. The air conditioning systems and lighting for the entire yacht can be managed from here. You can set the mood inside and out and control the yacht's mast camera and viewfinder alike. And there is an Immersat satellite phone fitted so you can be in contact anywhere in the world. Opposite the chart table you will find the AC/DC distribution panel with integral circuit protection and back lighting. Moving past the laundry takes you into the spacious, extremely well laid out engine room. All of the yacht systems feed into this space for easy access and simplistic maintenance. On the starboard side there is full standing headroom with a dedicated workbench. A longitudinal galley makes it super easy to prepare food while you're out on the water. It is fully equipped with plenty of refrigeration and freezer space, induction hobs, fan oven, microwave, dishwasher and a full exterior extraction system, all fitted as standard. And there is also plenty of stowage space for all your galley equipment and food. The dedicated crew mess has a fold-out table and seating with extra lift-up seating, so there is room for the whole crew to sit down to eat together. The smart, comfortable crew accommodation is all en suite, making sailing and crewing this yacht a real pleasure. In summary, the Oyster 885 is the perfect yacht for owners looking for a super yacht experience in a yacht that is just under 90 feet long. Designed and engineered to deliver exceptional comfort and safety without compromising sailing performance, she is exhilarating yet easy to sail with reliable and functional sail handling systems. Working with your dedicated Oyster project manager, you can design and style her to be your home from home. You can trust her to take you to the farthest flung corners of the world in safety and pure comfort on adventures that will become your memories of a lifetime.
And I really hope you've enjoyed this little video and you've got a feel for the quality and the craftsmanship, the attention to detail and the love and the care that goes into every oyster that we build. So if you're thinking of joining the Oyster family, we would love to speak to you. So get in touch via our website and we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon.